Meaning of hidy-hole.
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 Hidy-hole. The term hidy-hole refers to a small hiding place or a secret spot where someone can conceal themselves. It is commonly used to refer to a hiding place for children, such as a closet or under the bed. The term is believed to originate from the Scottish word hidy-hole, which has a similar meaning. Hidy-holes can be used for fun or for safety purposes, but they should never be used to harm or deceive others. Overall, hidy-holes are a creative way for people to create their own private space.